It's told in the problem, what is the equation of the ellipse which passes through this point? X-axis is the major axis. If x-axis has to be the major axis, then the center has to be at the origin, then the ellipse should look like this, right? The ellipse should look like this. This is the x-axis, y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. This is the origin O 0, 0. So the equation of this particular ellipse will be x square by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. So I can say x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square, that is equal to 1. This is equation number star I will put. Okay. Eccentricity is nothing but c divided by a. So I can say c divided by a, that is equal to root 2 divided by root 5, right? Now at the point called minus 3, 1, I can say 9 divided by a square plus 1 divided by b square is equal to 1, correct? So we can say now c square is equal to 2 divided by 5 times a square, right? Times a square. So we also know that a square is equal to b square plus c square, correct? A square is equal to b square plus c square. So a square, that is equal to b square plus 2 by 5 times a square. So a square minus of 2 by 5 times a square, that is equal to b square. So 5a square minus 2a square divided by 5, that is equal to b square. 3a square divided by 5 is equal to b square, correct? So this can be written as, here I will substitute 9 divided by a square plus 1 divided by 3a square divided by 5. Denominator of the denominator will become the numerator, correct? So here this is nothing but 3a square, 27 plus 5, that is equal to 1. 27 plus 5 will be equal to 32 divided by 3a square is equal to 1. 32 divided by 3 is equal to a square, correct? 32 divided by 3 is equal to a square. So b square is equal to 3a square divided by 5, that is 3 into 32 divided by 3 divided by 5. So what is the answer that we get to? 32 divided by 5 is b square. So b square is nothing but 32 divided by 5. So I can now substitute in equation number star here. Substitute in star here. So I'll get the required equation of the ellipse as x square divided by a square. A square is nothing but 32 by 3 plus y square divided by b square. B square is nothing but 32 divided by 5, that is equal to 1. 3x square plus 5y square, that is equal to what is it? 32. This is the required answer to the given question.